Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach you the property of material. Previously we have discussed it. Object. Different types of object. What is the object? Anything you see, touch are the object. Yourself, myself, bench, table, chair, whatsoever may be. Objects are having different types. Object is made out of material. A material is also one object, may be made out of single material or multiple materials. Similarly, materials are also having different properties. As per the requirement of the object, we choose the material. Theme of this chapter is, for anything we make, for any particular object, we choose the material on the basis of their properties. You want to make a chair, so you will choose a material that is wood. But here the property of material, you will see that if wood is of good quality or bad quality. Wood is rotten or not. Wood is of sagwan or poplar tree. So you need to see the property of wood as per your object. Property of material as per your object. Today I am going to teach you the properties of material. What is a property? First point, there are not many properties related to the materials are there. We will discuss physical properties mainly. Come to the topic, we will not deviate much in that. Appearance. Something appears shining, some does not appear shining. So you will categorize that material separately and another material separately. Shining property. What is that shining property? It is a shining appearance. Shining property. It is a property of appearance, that is a luster. And it is a, what is the luster then? We have written appearance, luster or lustrous. Then what is the luster? It is the ability of a metal to shine. That is called a luster. The material which shine more, that is more lustrous, the shine less or less lustrous. How can you judge it? Yes, we can judge it by taking different items, अलग-अलग substance ले लेंगे. हम उसे इमली पेपर से रब करेंगे. We will tell you which is lustrous and which is not lustrous. Can you get me few emery paper from the laboratory? Emery paper from laboratory or 2-3 items. So children, when you rub the metal, it shines. The shining property of the substance or material is known as lustrous. I have written it here, the appearance, luster or lustrous. They look different from each other. The materials look different from each other. They have some common properties. Common properties. What is that? Iron, aluminum, copper. Iron, aluminum, copper, zinc, nickel. These have common properties. What is that common property? These all metals are lustrous in nature. They shine when you rub with sandpaper. So what is the common property in that? They have common property of lustrous. Then how can you define the luster? It is the ability of a metal due to which it shines is called lustrous property. Some material differs. Iron differs from wood. Wood differs from plastics. The material differs from it as per their appearance. Now come to the another part. Texture, luster. You may write the property luster. Definition. Luster. It is ability of metal or material, ability of material to shine. Ability of a material to shine is known as luster. The material which shine is more luster, which less shine is less luster. Okay. Now come to the part. Let me discuss it. Texture. How can you say that texture by something? What is this texture? It is very smooth. And what is its texture? It is wooden piece. It has hills and valleys, ridges. It has ridges. It is smooth. The things having ridges, valleys, they are not smooth. They are little. The different material has a different textures. Some material are rough and some are smooth. The rough material has bumps and ridges. Bumps. Ridges. When you see through the microscope, there are ridges. So therefore it is rough. But here there is no ridges and no bumps. So it is smooth. Rough surface, a smooth surface. So we discussed the difference. The different material has a different textures, and some materials are rough and some are smooth. The rough material has bumps, ridges and surfaces, ridges surfaces. The smooth material do not have bumps, ridges or surfaces. For example, grass, seed and flowers. Hardness. Now come to the third property. We are discussing hardness. We are discussing the property of material, hardness. It is the ability of a material to oppose the change. Hardness. Now see, I will tell you. Glass is considered hard. It is considered hard tripod. It will not break, it is hard. But it is soft. It is soft. What is hardness? Ability of a material to oppose the change. So, it is opposing the change. It is opposing the change. Therefore, it is hard. But this material is soft. It does not oppose a change. It is less opposing the change. Therefore, it is considered soft. Ability of a material to oppose change. The material which cannot be compressed are called hard material, whereas the material which can be compressed are called soft material. Material which can be compressed are called soft material. Which cannot be compressed are called hard material. Now we have given you three properties. Now let me go today on the fourth properties also. What is that fourth property? We will discuss one. Lustrous. I told you it is the ability of a metal to get shine. How you will check it? It is shining. You will rub the material with sandpaper and see if it is shining. You will say that material is lustrous. Which do not shine, you will say material is non-lustrous. Wood, you rub it with sandpaper, it will not shine. Therefore, wood is non-lustrous, whereas copper will shine. You can say copper is lustrous. Now, children, let me discuss few questions related to that. Now take the question number 1 to 5. Take the photographs. यहाँ पर आप घुमा नहीं सकते. Can you turn it? Turn it. Turn it on the only one question. Question पे turn करिए. बड़ा करिए हम आंसर दे रहे हैं. Are they able to read? Or not? So children, question number 1. What is the answer of question number 1? Grouping chains into the separate groups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities is called. Grouping things into the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities are called classification. Classification. The jewelry is made up of gold, stainless steel, rubber and wood. It is of gold. Third number. Cooking utensils are made up of cloths, papers, metals and woods. Metals. Because metals are lustrous. They are good conductor of heat. That's why cooking vessels are made. Which of the following made up of metal? A. Book. B. Copper rod. C. Wooden chair. D. Eraser. Very similar, it is a copper rod. Which of the following is non-lustrous? Gold is shining, so lustrous. Silver shining is lustrous. Aluminium shining is lustrous. Wood does not shine is non-lustrous. Okay. So children, we have completed up to here. And in coming class, we will be discussing regarding the next topic, soluble and insoluble, which have the activities a lot. Okay? We will discuss this part. Thank you, and we will meet in the next class.